Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic about electricity. Electricity is a kind of energy. We use it for lighting, heating, and moving machines. It is an important part of our daily life. Electricity powers our life and our future. In the present day world, it has become an essential part of our human activities. Here are two types of electricity, static electricity and current electricity. Firstly, we will see static electricity. When electricity gathers in one place, it is known as static electricity. Now we see its examples: a rubbed balloon sticking to hair and clothes sticking together when removed from a dryer. Next is current electricity. It flows through a wire. We cannot see it, but we can see its effect. It gives us light and heat. Current electricity powers many things in our daily life, and their examples are lights glowing, fans running, and machines working. Static electricity builds up in one place, while current electricity flows from one place to another. Next, we see how is static electricity produced. There are many materials which can produce static electricity by rubbing. Take some small pieces of paper and a plastic comb. Here are some steps. In number 1, rub a plastic comb with a cotton cloth. In next step, bring it near small pieces of paper. The paper pieces stick to the comb. This happens because rubbing. Static electricity is produced when two objects are rubbed together. It causes a buildup of electric charges. Next is current electricity. It flows through a wire. We cannot see it, but we can see its effect. It gives us light and heat. Its examples are light, heat, movement. Current electricity powers many things in our daily life. Next topic is electric circuit. A battery or cell supplies electricity. Wires carry electricity to the bulb. The electricity returns to the battery. This complete path is called a circuit. When the circuit is complete, the bulb glows. Flex. The wire that we use in a circuit is called flex. A flex is a wire which is covered with a thin layer of plastic. Plastic protects us from electricity. The plastic covering keeps us safe by stopping electricity from coming out. Open circuit electricity cannot cross a gap. If the circuit is broken, the bulb will not light up. Now we see what is closed or open circuit. The circuit is incomplete, the bulb light up. And in open circuit, the circuit is broken, the bulb does not light up. Flex helps make circuit safe. A circuit must be complete for electricity to flow and do work. These are the back exercise and question answers of this chapter. I hope it helped you understand the topic better. Thank you.